the main issue, which all tennis players grapple with from the very first moment they pick up the tennis racket, is how to make the tennis ball do what they want it to do. That's what the game of tennis boils down to, after all. So, for those who want to excel, it is a good idea to study and learn as much as possible about its behavior in all different circumstances. It is also highly advisable not to take someone's word for it, but to see things with your own two eyes whenever possible. Because, as we all know, controlling the ball is difficult enough as it is. And there is no need to complicate these efforts any further by relying on some erroneous notions or assumptions which have no basis in reality. This is a very good example of it. Of all the people who were questioned, everyone, without exception, was absolutely sure and predicted that when the ball is fired at 40 miles per hour into a tennis racket, which is standing free, upright, on the butt of its handle, unsupported, and unrestrained in any way, will simply knock the racket over and will keep on going in its original direction. Boy, were they wrong. As you can see, the ball is deflected, and it is going back to where it came from at a rather surprising rate of speed. There are quite a few things that we can learn from this simple experiment. First, in order to send the ball back over the net, the racket does not have to be actively striking the ball. It can be simply placed in the path of the ball, and the ball will be comfortably deflected back. Second, the racket does not even have to be held in the hand in order to send the ball back. You can literally leave it unattended, or toss it into the ball's path, and the ball will still be deflected back. And third, the direction and trajectory of the deflected ball depends only on the angle at which the string surface of the racket is positioned in relation to the incoming ball. Based on what you just have seen here, very useful conclusions can be reached about the ways in which the ball could be manipulated. And we will be addressing them in the following clips.